Hello student, how are you today? Welcome to our class and nice to see you again. Well, my student, today we are going to study about descriptive text, that is historical buildings in Indonesia. But first, we must understand what is descriptive text. So please observe attentively. Based on the video, we know that what is descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or things is like. The purpose of descriptive text is to describe and reveal a particular person's place or things. And descriptive text has some generic structure. First, identification. It identifies the phenomenon to describe it. And description describes the phenomenon in parts or qualities or the characters. Based on language features, we know descriptive texts have some characteristics about the use of lexicogrammatical of simple present tense. Okay, my class, after we know that what is descriptive text, we back to the historical places. It is the building in Indonesia. We know that from the story and history, Indonesia rich with historical buildings. And for at the time, it is to be reunification, palace, attraction, not only inhabitants, but also foreign tourists from all over the world. Okay, my students, let's visit one of them. What is it? What is the historical buildings Indonesia has? Have enjoyed. Student, just now we have visited one of the historical buildings in Indonesia, and today we'd like to invite you to give you some activity with your friends. First, micro consists of 4 students. Second, describe one of historical buildings in your area or in Indonesia besides the video. And next, where is it the place? What can see you there around these places? And what makes the buildings become historical value?